Italy Part 2. It took me a while to edit the second video because I've been busy at work. Even now, actually I need to read some documents, but anyway, I saw quite many new subscribers here. Welcome! And my inconsistency of posting new videos is a reason for you who somehow found my channel to subscribe. This video was taken in April. A month after that, there were floods in this area. I think some time ago I saw this bridge on YouTube during the flood and the water was so high, just below the bridge. I hope at this moment the Rimini region have been recovered from the flood. Anyway, we were driving to San Marino when we saw this bridge and decided to stop for a while. Such a beautiful wooden bridge. Then we continued driving for about an hour to San Marino. This is the view from the parking area before going to the castle. San Marino is located in a hill, so we can see the view on its surroundings. Without too much talking, let's walk with me in San Marino. At that time, there was kind of Lego or toys exhibition here. And somehow I found rubber duck shop. I have few at home and I bought one from the shop. Which duck? Watch this video until the end to find out. And then we returned to Rimini for dinner. The next day, we drove to Bologna and went for a walk in the city center. So many people at that time, and I rather enjoyed walking around sightseeing without doing videos. But here's some videos from Bologna. The next day, we returned to Poland. Here are some photos that I took during this trip from Rimini to Bologna. Thanks for watching and see you on the next videos. Bye bye!